Hello, welcome to the Thrive Mediation channel, where couples are empowered with the tools they need to thrive in their marriage. This is especially the case for those couples whose relationship has turned into a roommate situation. This is also known as the roommate syndrome. Now, are you one of those couples? Then like and subscribe to this channel because I'll be bringing you vital content that will transform your relationship to one where you both find fulfillment. In this 10-part video series, I'll be talking about power of questions. The power of questions, yes. Because you see, questions are so powerful because it is the most efficient and authentic way to gain insight on any topic. And there is no insight more important than the one you gain about yourself. This is also known as self-awareness. Your level of self-awareness determines the quality of interaction you have with people. And nowhere is this interaction more prevalent than in a couple's relationship. The truth is this: the more you know about yourself, the more confident you'll be at setting healthy boundaries. And setting healthy boundaries bring love and respect into a relationship. You see, women need love while men need respect. And if you noticed, I didn't use the word want, I used the word need because there is a distinct difference between the two. So, in this video series, I'll be giving you 10 powerful questions that will change the way you think so you can ultimately change your life and your relationships for the better. All right, welcome to day 9 of the 10-part question that will change your life. If you have not watched the previous days, please go back and watch them, because these exercises are really not meant to be rushed. I truly want you to put into practice what you learn here, one day at a time. Well, we are on day 9 and we are almost done. And this is great. It's important to remember that a solid foundation of self-awareness will truly serve you well in your relationships. So, with that said, today, the question is, what can I do to enhance my most important relationships? This question gives you an opportunity to think about how you contribute to the issues in your relationships, because you see, it always takes two. No matter how small, the part that you play in the direction that your relationship takes, whether good or bad, makes a huge difference. And if you're a married couple, the hope here is that you identified your marriage as the most important relationship in your life. Not the relationship with your boss or your mother or your sister or even your children. Yes, you heard me right. The relationship between a married couple is more important than the relationship you have with your children. Why? Because one day, those kids are going to grow up and lead their own lives with their own family. And guess who you're stuck with when that happens? Yep, your spouse. Long after you've retired and your kids are off with their own spouses, living their own lives, the relationship that will remain is the one you share with your spouse. So you want to always have that in the back of your mind. Make it a point to maintain a close and healthy relationship with your spouse, so that when all the distractions leave the house, aka your kids, you can simply enjoy the rest of your life together, not find yourselves loathing one another. Now, whatever relationship you deem important in your life, look for ways to elevate that relationship to the next level. Look for ways to make it even more fulfilling for the both of you. And truly, the only way you can accomplish this is by looking at the things you have control over. And that thing that you have control over is you. This is not where you point fingers at your partner, attempting to change them, telling them what to do or what they're doing wrong. This is where you identify what you can change about yourself that would enhance the quality of your relationship. So if you're that friend that is terrible at staying in touch, you always find yourself apologizing because you forgot to call them back or check in on them again, you might want to think about taking up some of that responsibility. Set an alarm on your phone. Use the alert system on your calendar to set notifications to initiate a call to your friend. And if you're the type that does not look at your wife when you're speaking to her, which demonstrates that you're giving her your full attention, which is something that most women value, start doing that. If you don't know how, tell your wife. Tell your wife that. Tell your wife that you're working on it and you're trying to learn. And let her know that you want to learn and just start practicing that. And if you're the wife that has no clue what your husband is talking about when he brings up sports, go and learn a thing or two about his favorite sport or team. And the next time he brings up the topic, show off your knowledge and you'll get to witness the look of excitement on your husband's face. So when you think about how you can take your relationship to the next level, I want you to focus on what you can do to take the quality of your relationship to the next level, not how your spouse can take it to the next level or what they can change to take it to the next level. Look at what you have control over, and that thing is yourself. It is never too late to get started on a journey of self-discovery. As Arnold Glasgow said, improvement starts with I. So, go ahead, do an assessment of your relationship and discover areas where you can improve the quality of your relationship for the better. If you like this kind of content, please hit the cute little blue like button. It will help me immensely, and also subscribe to the channel for more content. If you want to know the next powerful question that will change your life, click the video on your screen to find out. See you in the next video.